Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2011 Can-Am Spyder I want to show you. This is the RT. Comes with a 998cc liquid-cooled Rotax motor. It's a V-twin, 5-speed transmission. Nice metallic gray paint. Does have a couple little spots on it I saw. It's got a little tiny spot right there on the corner of the fender, and then over here it looks like somebody may have gotten too close to something and bumped the front end of it right here. I don't know how well you can see that out here. Got excellent tires on it. This bike is a standard transmission, so it does have a clutch here. It's got a reverse. You can see the gear shift down here on the foot. And then it's got a single brake pedal. It's got synchronized brakes, so all three wheels will brake at the same time. AM, FM, heated hand grips, electronic cruise control, adjustable windshield right here. The passenger's got these heated hand grips back here, rear speakers. Got quite a bit of storage on these little rigs. Out here you got a plug for your onboard electronics, and over here you got a plug, it looks like for your 12-volt outlet for charging your goodies. These other levers here, you pull the lever and the bag's open on the side. So you got quite a bit of space there for storage. And then up front, got another one. A little trunk opens up here. So you can put quite a bit of stuff down in there as well. It's a pretty sweet rig. Check the miles and fire it off for you. Ran it through the shop and checked it out, so she's ready to go. Got you a battery tender lead out here. You can tuck that up under the seat. Check the mileage. Full instrumentation, fuel gauge, speedometer, tach, and then the temperature gauge for the engine. This one's got 7,467 miles. It's got a tach over here, but then it's also got a digital tach right there. I didn't see, didn't shut this one good a while ago either. I didn't see any other kind of marks on it. It's got a real good rear tire as well. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.